My name is Puma Molefe. I am a current YesFood student. I started in April this year, and I am responsible for the physical logistics department. I am honestly responsible for all the parts that are supplied here. Without them, they cannot run. So I make sure that the parts are maintained on the system and physically they arrive on time. And I make sure that the area is neat and clean so that associates can work properly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And you are a YES student?
Yes, I am currently.
Wow.
Just say yes.
Yes.
Just say yes. So for how long were you not employed? Or
So I'm a recent graduate.
yes. What did you graduate in?
I graduated in Bachelor's of Supply Chain Management
Oh,
in
wow.
2024.
Okay.
And from then I applied under this opportunity, the Yes for Youth.
Yes.
And I got accepted and I'm here currently.
Wow.
So yeah,
Excellent.
thank you.
And you?
I've been employed for 4 months.
Yes.
And
What did you qualify in?
BStech Mechanical Engineering
Wow.
from TUT.
TUT.
With
Okay.
NSFAS.
Yes, with
NSFAS.
NSFAS. Yes.
With NS5?
Yes.
And you?
I was privately funded
Yes.
and I'm currently doing my honors as well at the University of Pretoria.
Wow. Well.
Thank you.
Well, I'm glad to be holding the hands of the YES graduates. Yes. I want to see the marriage now.
The marriage. Marry me.
Yes.